In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a sent email from your Gmail account. Sometimes we send an email and instantly wish we hadn't. Maybe you noticed a typo, or perhaps you sent it to the wrong person entirely. Fortunately, Gmail provides some options to either remove the email from your sent folder, or in certain situations, even stop it from reaching the recipient's inbox at all. So let's dive in and explore these options step by step. First, let's go through how you can delete a sent email from your Gmail account on a browser. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar where you'll find a list of different categories like inbox and drafts. Here, you need to click on Sent. This will display all the emails that you've sent using this account. Browse through the list until you find the specific email you'd like to delete. Once you've located it, you have two choices. You can either directly click the trash icon that appears next to the email, or if you want to double check its contents, open the email and then hit delete. This action will move the email out of your sent folder. However, bear in mind that this does not remove the email from the recipient's inbox. It only disappears from your sent items. Next, let's talk about a handy feature called Undo Send, which allows you to recall an email immediately after sending it. This feature is a lifesaver for those moments when you've hit send and immediately realize there's a mistake or you've selected the wrong recipient. Immediately after you've sent an email, look at the bottom left corner of your Gmail screen. Here you should see an option named Undo. If you click on it within the allowed time frame, the email will be recalled before it even reaches your recipient's inbox. It's like a magic rewind button for email mishaps. By default, this cancellation window is set to somewhere between 5 to 30 seconds. But if you find that window either too short or too long, Gmail allows you to customize it. To adjust this undo send duration, navigate to the top right corner of your Gmail, find and click on the gear icon, and then select See All Settings. From there, you'll automatically be directed to the General tab. Scroll down until you find Undo Send. Here, you can set the cancellation period to your preferred duration, up to 30 seconds. Adjust it according to what you find comfortable, and you'll have that extra cushion of time to prevent future email slip-ups. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have better control over your sent emails, making sure your messages are just right before they're permanently out of your hands. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.